Welcome to my channel. How to inspect a used engine before buying. 1. Check the engine's exterior condition. Look for cracks, dents, leaks, or broken parts. A clean and undamaged engine is a good sign. 2. Inspect for oil leaks. Check around the valve cover, oil pan, and head gasket area. Fresh oil leaks equals avoid. 3. Pull the dipstick, oil condition. Oil should be brown, black but smooth. Milky color means coolant mixing, big problem. 4. Check coolant condition. Open the coolant reservoir when engine is cold. It should be clean and green, red, no rust or oil. 5. Look for excessive rust. Surface rust is okay, but heavy corrosion on block or mounts is a red flag. 6. Rotate the crankshaft manually. If possible, turn the crank pulley. It should rotate smoothly, no grinding or tight spots. 7. Check spark plugs, if available. Remove one spark plug. Oily or carbon-fouled plugs can indicate engine issues. 8. Ask for compression test results. Compression should be even across all cylinders. Big differences equals weak engine. 9. Verify engine number and compatibility. Match the engine code with your car's requirement to avoid fitment issues. 10. Ask for service history or warranty. A seller who provides records or warranty usually has nothing to hide. Thanks for watching.